Yo, what up, homies? It's Carter back here for another video today. I got an IKEA vlog with my partner in crime, Malin Crumby here. Wait,
I need this.
You do need that.
Wait, put this on.
It's amazing.
Doesn't this look like the thing that Louise Belcher has?
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
It's Peppa Pig.
It's Peppa Pig. You're gonna want to get this on camera. You're gonna want to get this on camera.
I'm pretty fast there. Fast. Almost as fast as me.
Let's do it.
It's amazing. You guys are doing the IKEA 24-hour challenge. We're 5 minutes in. I think they see us. Hair does not look good. I have a really big forehead. It's like
It's this big.
they're almost that big. Just you gotta times them by 2, and then you'll be as fast as me. Don't we look like the sexy beasts you imagine? Wait, come to your house? No. No. What? What are you pointing at? What are you pointing at? What? Stop smiling at me. Yeah, bye, loser.
Get this go back.
I'm gonna go now. I can't fit. Stop following me. I have crippling depression. Got it. Oh, heck yeah. I like licking balls. Let me try this, guys. Let me try this on instead. It looks like a fit to me. Come on! Every time I touch a piece of clothing, the alarm freaking goes off. This is fake, probably. Ow! Ow, that hurt a lot. Ow.
Just let me die here.
I'm ready to die. Get off my property.
Get this goat back.
Get back here, little butthole. There we are. I'm here, sorry. Oh shit. Excuse me. Oh, see, okay. Oh, shit. So we're getting kicked out of IKEA now because apparently they weren't so happy on us putting their fake basketballs on the floor. So we're on our way out now. Yay. Christmas spirit. I've always hated it. Hey guys, we're about to leave IKEA now. It's been an awesome experience. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please slap a like button. Please hit that subscribe button, comment down below. And I just want to say that thank you so much for 20 subscribers lately. That's just been awesome. And I hope that all of you have a good night and goodbye.